The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ashland County, Knox County, Richland County, Holmes County, and northeast Ohio until 12:45 a.m. At 11:25 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located near Mansfield and moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Holmesville, Millersburg, Belleville, Centerburg, Fredericktown, Hayesville, Loudonville, Gammier. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. This storm has a history of large damaging hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.